Welcome to another informative video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're exploring the intriguing world of preventive property maintenance. Ever wondered why buildings need as much attention as a large piece of machinery? Stick around to unravel the answers and learn how ignoring small issues can snowball into serious problems, costing time, money, and safety. We'll also highlight how a solid preventive maintenance program acts as an investment, much like insurance. Now let's dive in. You might be thinking, why would apartments, houses, and buildings need as much preventive maintenance as a large piece of machinery? After all, a building can't break down like a machine, right? But let's not forget, the key word in preventive maintenance is preventive. It's all about stopping problems before they even have the chance to happen. In the world of property maintenance, this is a big deal. Issues that are left unattended can snowball into massive, costly problems that are difficult to fix. Not to mention, they can be potentially dangerous for the tenants or employees inside the building. Let's paint a picture. Imagine a property manager starts seeing more insects than usual in an apartment building. They might think, no big deal, they're just bugs. I don't need to worry about that right now. Fast forward a few weeks, and the apartment is swarming with bugs and needs to be fumigated. Not only does this cost a lot of money, but it also disrupts the lives of the tenants in the apartment building. Preventive property maintenance is also crucial for preserving the infrastructure of the buildings. It might not seem like a big deal, but something as simple as letting leaves pile up in gutters and under roof tiles can actually damage and rot away the structure of the roof itself. If this is left unchecked, tenants might find themselves staring up at an unplanned, costly new skylight. In the worst-case scenario, someone could be seriously injured by falling debris or severe weather. And let's not forget about the HVAC systems, air filters, bathrooms, and electrical devices and wiring. These are all critical aspects of property maintenance that can cause significant problems in a building if not properly maintained. So, at the end of the day, a preventive maintenance program is an investment, much like insurance. It might seem unnecessary until you really need it, when the problem has become massive and the costs sky high. For instance, if a tenant finds fungus growing in their bathroom and doesn't report it for 2 months, what was once a small issue can quickly become a huge headache. But with a solid preventive maintenance program in place, these issues can be avoided altogether. Remember, preventive maintenance isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about taking the necessary steps to ensure that they don't break in the first place. It's about saving time, money, and potentially even lives. And that's why preventive maintenance is so important for property managers. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of preventive property maintenance and how it can save time, money, and even lives. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about UpKeep and our services, visit upkeep.com. Remember, preventive maintenance is an investment, not a cost. So take the necessary steps to ensure your property doesn't break in the first place. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.